Jay Weatherill has refused to rule out closing a major public hospital as his government seeks to recoup losses from federal health cuts. The Premier hit the road today to sell his new economic vision, hitting out at critics of his call for greater state pride.
Touring a Two Wells tomato growing facility, the Premier was a picture of quiet confidence.
I certainly don't look like a picture of brash confidence.
Jay Weatherill's appeal for state pride has had its critics, but he says that's just sour grapes.
It doesn't mean, an irrational exuberance about South Australia, but standing back and looking at what we have, rather than seeing what we don't have.
While many claim the state economy's withering on the vine, this plant's slated for an 8-hectare expansion, creating 150 new jobs. The Premier also turned the sod at the site of Adelaide University's new medical and nursing school. Premium food production and innovation, both central pillars of his 10-point state plan, 3 points more than the 7 priorities of his previous term.
Well, I think that's certainly one area of growth here in South Australia.
But while the Premier was touring glass houses, the opposition was throwing stones. Launching an online petition calling for guarantees Labor won't close public hospitals as it seeks to recoup federal cuts.
Every state in the Federation is facing the same federal budget. No other state is threatening to close public hospitals.
We haven't got the reassurances that we've been seeking, and I think it's very important that we do get those reassurances.
But they didn't get them today.
Every hospital is up for grabs, as we've said.
Tom Richardson, 9 News.